Hello everyone. My name is Tom. The lesson today is about word order in questions.
What music does she like?
Jazz and pop.
How old is your sister?
She's 19.
What do you want for lunch?
A sandwich and a beer, please. Who's that woman with Bob?
His sister.
When do you have English classes?
On Thursdays.
How do you spell your last name?
Johannson.
Where does your wife work? In an office. Where do you usually go on holiday?
To the beach, or we sometimes go abroad.
Where do your brothers work? Is this your phone?
What time does the film start?
Does your husband speak Spanish?
How is your family?
Are we late for class? Do your children like sushi? What time does your wife finish work? Is football your favorite sport? How are you relaxed at weekends? What sports are popular in your country?
Are you hungry? It's time for lunch.
Where are you usually have lunch on Sundays?
Is your country win a lot of medals in the Olympics?
How old is your teacher?
What TV programs does your husband like?
Are you do sport or exercise during the week? It's very cold in here. Close the window, please. Don't eat that chocolate. I need it for my cake. Don't play the piano. The baby's in bed.
Speak slowly, please. I don't understand you.
You're very tired. Go to bed. Don't make pasta for lunch. I'm on a diet. Sit down and open your books at page 43.
Don't read my emails. They're private.
Don't worry. It's not a big problem.
I have a new tablet, but I don't use it very much. Jim likes Sarah, but she doesn't like him. My children love music. I sing to them every night.
Is Emma nice?
I don't know her very well.
People speak very fast in hip-hop songs. I can't understand it.
I am hungry. Can you make me a sandwich, please?
Our friends usually have dinner with us at the weekend.
I don't have my car today. Can I go to the concert with you?
Thanks for watching.